Okay, so this is the Smith machine squat. Now, before we go any further on this one, this is completely different when you're doing the barbell squat. Okay, the thing you need to remember is bear in mind that when you're on the barbell, you have complete range or freedom of movement. When you're on this, it's pinned, it's locked in, it's not going anywhere, so you're gonna have to make sure you move around it. If you do a standard squat at the moment, okay, and you go from here and you come out, and if you go in line like you would on a normal squat, this is what will happen. Like I'm in the wrong angle, you're gonna hurt yourself, okay? I need you to use the Smith machine squat, use the Smith machine almost like it's a hack squat. So that means is I'm going to set myself up, stand tall, walk myself in, so I'm almost leaning on the bar, toes are out, and now when I sit, like I'm now, like my bum, like now I'm in line. So it'll be easy to do. So to go through it again, just make sure you're happy. In terms of where you put your hands for this, it's a little bit easier to work out. You can put your ring finger on this knurling here, on the only ring. Rack. When I come up, make sure you twist it. If not, you're gonna hit the clips. So rack them out, stand, walk them in, subtle lean, chest up, tighten the stomach, bum in tight, sit, and come up, and then rack. If you're worried about the depth, you are more than welcome to put a safety just below where you know you can go. That's it.